In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can create a space on Quora or Quora. So a space is like a community or a subreddit on Reddit or a group on Facebook. So with this space, people can post, they can share their comments and their answers on here, share images and videos on there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and you'll be the moderator or the admin of that space on here. So let me show you guys how to do that. So just launch your Quora like this. So on here, you just tap on the emoji here. You can see 3 people there, like a group emoji here. So here you just tap on the create here. So now let's create a new one. You can see I already have one there. So here we just give it a name. So now let's give it our channel's name. So let's say a community for our channel on Quora. So let me give it a name here, something like this. Good. So they are saying the name is available, so you can give it a description just like you're creating on other platforms. Okay, so my description is also set here. So I just tap on the create to create it. So here you'll be able to get a link to invite people, and if you have friends on Quora, you can even enter their name here and then send them an invite right away. So what you are going to do is just copy our link here, and then we don't have anybody to invite them. This for tutorial purposes, so we are going to skip that. Now let's skip it. Good. So after skipping it, we are going to land on the page of this space we created. Good. So you can see here, this is how it looks like. Nobody has joined, and this is the about of it. Yes, this is how it looks like. And if there is any post here, you're going to see all of them here, the followers and everything. So this is the moderator side. So this is how it looks like. So on here, I can start editing it by giving it a profile picture by tapping on here and then setting a profile picture for it, a cover photo and the rest. So it's very much simple. So now let's start. We need to edit our visuals. We need to add a first piece of content. We need to invite people to follow the space so that people can also join and request. You can do a lot here, so I'm not going to do all that. But then if you are able to create this, I think you can do all that, upload your images and all that, and then you invite your friends by just tapping on this here, and then you invite your followers, your contributors, your hot, simple like that. So that's it on how you can create a group or a space on Quora. If you guys have any problem or question, kindly let me know in the comment section. If I have to make a tutorial that's going to talk about all that, I'm going to do that. So that's it. This is the simple or the basic thing you need to know when you want to create a space or something like that. So the link I copied, I can go on and then share it to people. I can share it to people on Reddit. I can share it to people, even if I can post it on my YouTube channel, I can even post it there and share it everywhere. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.